Imagine a world without plants. What would that look like? Now, this may seem like an odd question. After all, plants are such a fundamental part of our planet's ecosystem. But it's precisely because they're so crucial that it's worth considering what would happen if they were to disappear. The first and perhaps most obvious effect would be on our oxygen supply. You see, plants produce oxygen through a process called photosynthesis. Without plants, our planet's oxygen levels would plummet dramatically. No more oxygen means no more life, at least not as we know it. Next, consider the food chain. Plants are the primary producers, the all-important first link in the chain. They convert sunlight into energy, which is then consumed by herbivores, and then by carnivores, and so on. Remove that first link and the whole chain collapses. Herbivores would starve, followed by the carnivores that eat them. The ripple effects would be catastrophic. Moving on, let's look at habitat loss. Many animals rely on plants for shelter, whether it's birds nesting in trees, insects burrowing in soil, or fish hiding among underwater plants. Without plants, these creatures would be left homeless, exposed to predators and the elements. But the fallout wouldn't stop there. Plants also play a crucial role in the planet's carbon cycle. They absorb carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, from the atmosphere during photosynthesis. Without plants to absorb this carbon dioxide, levels of the gas would increase, exacerbating climate change and leading to even more extreme weather events. In short, the disappearance of plants would likely lead to widespread ecological collapse, and potentially even the extinction of the human species. The intricate web of life on our planet is so interconnected, and plants are such a fundamental part of that web, that their loss would be nothing short of catastrophic. So, to recap, without plants, our oxygen supply would be severely depleted, leading to a potential extinction event. The food chain would collapse, leading to mass starvation among animals, and many species would lose their habitats. Climate change would likely worsen due to disrupted carbon cycles, leading to more extreme weather events and further habitat loss. From this, we can see that plants aren't just nice to look at. They're not just a source of food and shelter for many species. They're fundamental to life as we know it. The disappearance of plants would be a disaster on a global scale, affecting every aspect of life on Earth. So the next time you pass by a tree or a flower, take a moment to appreciate it, because without plants, our world would be a very different and much harsher place.